Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video on Life Made Easy. Today, guys, I got a quick discussion on if I'm getting an Xbox Series S or Series S. I don't know what I'm going to title this video. Maybe it's like all these devices are sold out, which is kind of ridiculous. Do I know why? I have a couple of theories that I could run by you. I don't think it's the demand for these consoles that there's none left. I think it's basically like Microsoft's factories like literally cannot produce enough right now because of the pandemic. I have a feeling a lot of the supply chains were shut down and they just can't like pump out these consoles right now. And I think Sony's having the exact same issue with the PS5 because no one can get their hands on them. And I often compare this to the 2013 launch. Yes, I think it was that year, the Xbox One and the PS4. When those consoles came out, there was no issues of this. I'm pretty sure like if you wanted a console, you could get a console when it came out. I'm pretty sure they like made enough consoles for everyone to enjoy if they really wanted them. Um, it could be that everyone is just wanting to buy a next gen console right now, but I think that's highly unlikely. You could also make the argument we're in a pandemic and people have no idea what to do with their time and they want to play Xbox or PlayStation or video games. Also, I think you see a big shift towards PC gaming as well. I think PC gaming is really cool right now, and the fact that you can customize a PC, get a really good graphics card, get a really good monitor, and the experience I think is better than console gaming. However, console gaming is adopting the same features as PCs, same sort of hardware, and they're trying to like match the overall quality that a PC can do. That being said, I would love to get my hands on a Series X or a Series S, or I'm probably not going to get PlayStation. I have so much Xbox stuff at this point. There's no point in even switching. It would cost an absolute fortune for me to switch and get all those accessories and all the games and all that stuff. I'm probably going to stay with Xbox. I know I made a video a while back saying I would get a Series X if that video got like a certain number of likes. However, circumstances have changed since then. Because I'm working on building my own computer with a good graphics card. I'm thinking about getting an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with an AMD Ryzen 7 3700X right now. And that's not cheap. I have the money for it. However, it's not cheap. Those parts are very expensive. And just in terms of my budget, I don't think it's right if I'm going to be gaming on a computer to also go out and spend $500 on a Series X. However, I'm going to compromise and try to look for a Series X, which is $200 cheaper, coming in at $399. I mean, as I said earlier, there's an issue here. I literally cannot. I've searched for a Series S, and you can also look up Series X's. It's the same issue. There's literally none available everywhere, anywhere you look. I've checked like every single day, every single big video game seller, GameStop, Target, Walmart, Best Buy. I've like checked all these places. I've checked Microsoft Store. There's none of these consoles to be found, and I would love to buy it. I mean, I know people do have their hands on it. I know they pre-ordered it somehow, but it like sold out instantly. So I'm working on it. Like, I mean, that's the gist of this video. And comment down below if you guys are getting a PS5 this year or a Xbox or an Xbox Series S or Series X. And if you're getting a PlayStation, let me know if you're getting the digital one or the one with the disc drive. I'd be curious to know if you care about discs anymore. To be honest, I don't really care anymore about getting discs. If I want a game, I'll just buy it on the store and just get it digitally. There is a convenience factor being able to just like switch games without having to put a new disc in, I guess. The only downside to the Series S that I've seen, other than like a downgrading quality, is that it only comes with 512 gigs of SSD storage. But the thing is, I do have like a 2 terabyte hard drive that I use right now to store all my games, so I could technically just transfer that over to my Series S and just transfer all my games over and have more storage. I think that's the smart, rational thing to do. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. So, I mean, yeah, I would love to hear what consoles you guys want to get this holiday season. I know Black Friday, well, when this video goes up, it'll be Black Friday, or maybe I'll put this up on Sunday. I'm not too sure yet. So hope you guys got all your deals for Black Friday and stuff. I don't think it's going to be as crazy this year compared to previous years, just the pandemic and everything. But yeah, let me know what console you guys are grabbing this holiday season. Hopefully they're available. I heard rumors that they could be postponed all the way to April. Why am I thinking April 21st? I feel like that's the date that popped into my head. But I don't want to wait till April, to be honest. I'm going to be working on buying PC parts, and I'm going to probably assemble it either here or when I go back to school, and I can have a friend help me assemble it. Probably going to do that just because I don't trust myself at the moment. I know building a PC is not rocket science. However, for doing it for the first time, I do probably want to have someone to help me rather than just watching a YouTube video, which I know you can do. But that's just not me. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll be doing some more videos shortly. I've done some deals, smartphone stuff. Got a lot to talk about, especially with Samsung and then their new S21 model that's coming out. So we'll see. If you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Also, hope you enjoyed the new intro and outro. Peace out.